Photoshop CC 2015 made an update for the Artboard. To design for mobile and website applications. Let's take a look. Click the File menu. From there, click New. A new document window will appear. From there, in the document type, click the drop-down icon, and from there select Mobile App Design. And now select from the Artboard sizes. Click the drop-down menu. You'll see iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6, 5, iPad Pro, Retina, Apple Watch, Mobile Design, Android, Microsoft Surface. So let's select iPhone 6, which is the same size as the iPhone 7, 750 by 1334. Width and the height is auto-filled to 750 by 1334. And resolution is 72. You can change it to 144 for Retina. But this time, let's click OK. And now you see this text Artboard 1. We have Artboard 1 in our canvas. Let's make a duplicate copy by right-clicking the mouse from the Layer panel, selecting this Artboard 1. And from here, duplicate Artboard. Okay, now we have two Artboards for mobile design. And let's double-click here and type Sign In. And double-click here and type Sign Up. So we have the two screens, one for Sign In, one for Sign Up. We can also create an Artboard from the toolbar. Click and hold the Move tool, and from there select Artboard tool. And now click here and drag an Artboard, 750 by 1334. You can make it any size. Okay. Double click here and give it a name like Home. So we have now three Artboard layouts for our screens. We can delete an Artboard by simply dragging and dropping it to this delete icon. Or you can right-click and select Delete Artboard. After creating the Artboard in the canvas, after creating the last Artboard in the canvas, you will see a plus icon at the top, to the right, and at the bottom. You can add additional Artboards by simply clicking on one of those. If you click on the top side, you will have a new Artboard on the top. If you click on the bottom side, it will come up on the bottom. So just click this one. Now we have three more new Artboards in the top side. Let's make a small shape. Here, so we have a small shape in Artboard number 3. So if we select the Move tool from the toolbar and hold on the Alt Option key and make a copy, you see that automatically Artboard 2 also has a copy. We do not have to go there and make a new. Let's make another copy. You see now Artboard 3 also has a rectangle shape. So rectangle 1 copy, and rectangle 1 copy 2. Now let's make a copy in each Artboard. Now we see we have in each Artboard, we have this black rectangle shape in each Artboard. Let's undo it from the History panel. Suppose that you have a logo, your app screen logo, and you have these 6 screens and you have a logo, which is supposed to be a butterfly. Okay. Right-click the mouse from the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Now let's make a duplicate copy, holding down the Alt Option key from the keyboard and make a copy. So we have now the butterfly logo and the 6 different screens. You see, we converted this to a smart object. And see, whatever I'm doing, creating a new shape or converting to a smart object, you don't have to know for now. You will learn it after a few lectures. So follow along with what I'm saying and doing on the artboard. Let's say you decide that you don't want this butterfly logo. You want something else, a different image, or you want to change the color of the butterfly. Maybe you want the butterfly to be blue. Before, you would change the color of this butterfly to blue and then go to every artboard and change it. But now you don't have to do that. Since we converted this butterfly image to a smart object, let's see that example. In the Artboard 3, after converting the shape to a smart object, you see there is a paper binding icon. Double-click here. So this logo of the butterfly will open in a new window. And now, let's change the color. FX menu, Color Overlay, and we change the color to blue. Click OK. Because we changed our mind, we want to make a blue butterfly for our app screen. So just after replacing the color, go to the File menu. From there, save it. Now go to the Artboard panel. See, all of our butterfly images are blue. Now let's see another example. We don't want this butterfly. We want another kind of logo. Let's select this one, Layer 1. We will use a snowflake icon. And we delete the old one. Now, File, Menu, and save it. Go to our original document, and you see we have a different logo replaced in each artboard. So this is one way your work will be easier if you use the artboard. But in our Photoshop mobile app design tutorial, we will not use the artboard like that. We will design each screen one by one. The reason is, if we use this feature for our mobile screen design, the file size will be large, and the Photoshop performance will become very slow, making it very difficult to move on. Unlike the Sketch 40. But if you like to design on the artboard, you can follow along with me.